Good morning, everyone. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We are going to explore a photograph or a painting this morning, and I'm going to talk you through what I can see from here. And then after this, we're going to generate some really good ideas, and then we're going to hopefully bring all our ideas together and write a lovely descriptive paragraph all about this setting. At the top in the white, I have written, what can we ... see, feel, hear, and smell. So I've written those 4 elements, those 4 senses at the top, so that we can really immerse ourselves into the painting and imagine that we're actually there. That is the best way to do it. Now, I'm going to zoom in so we can get a better look at what we are looking at. First of all, let me go to the center, exactly here, where we see a little boy on the back of a gorilla. Now, I have some extra information for us, and the extra information is that this painting is actually titled Tarzan. So this is a picture of a boy called Tarzan who's grown up in the jungle. You can see he's riding on the back of the gorilla, and the gorilla looks very serious. He knows exactly where he's going, and he's very strong. He is very obviously looking after the baby boy. His strong arms and legs are carrying them over what looks like the trunk of a tree. The trunk of the tree is covered in moss, vines, twisted bark, leaves, and all sorts of other things that have grown there over time. Sitting delicately on top are some beautiful blue butterflies, almost like an aquamarine. Aquamarine is the color that's in between blue and green, shines really, really brightly. As we're walking down, we can see that the root of the tree has been pulled from the earth's surface, and it is now falling. It's tilted all the way on the side, and all of the roots are sprouting in all sorts of different directions. It looks like there are some sort of steps. The trunk of the tree has grown these extra parts of bark or wood that look like steps, like you could simply walk across using the trunk. Down below I can see some mushrooms, lots of grass, lots of twisted trees and vines, and some very dark treetops. It looks very dense in that forest and jungle over there. Oh, actually, now I've spotted these little specks. I wonder what they could be. Could they be mosquitoes? Would they be buzzing in the air? Would we be able to hear them as we walked past? Now I want you to pay attention. What time of day do we think this painting is? Because I know that the sun could either be setting or it could be rising. So it could be at dawn or it could be at dusk. So that's our idea. We can come up with which one do we think it is, because those colors that the sunrise or sunset is creating are just stunning. Over here, this is the top of the tree, and you can see all of the branches, all of the leaves, all of the vines. They're twisted all around. I wonder how long this tree has fallen over for, how long it's been on its side. Was it done on purpose, or was it there just by accident? Because it seems to have created a lovely bridge for Tarzan and the gorilla to walk across. So guys, there's so many things for us to talk about in this picture. Head to the next video and we will start to make some notes.